Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Connected Leadership. Lecture 3. In today's lecture, we will learn about emotional intelligence and self-awareness. What is emotional intelligence? Understanding your own emotions, managing emotions in yourself and others, empathy, the key to effective leadership, leveraging emotional intelligence for leadership success, developing emotional intelligence, the journey ahead, conclusion. What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence, or EI, is the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It involves being able to recognize and regulate emotions in oneself and others, and to use that emotional information to guide thinking and behavior. In leadership, emotional intelligence is crucial because it allows leaders to connect with and inspire their teams. By understanding and managing their own emotions, leaders can set a positive tone for the workplace and create a culture of trust and collaboration. They can also be more effective at resolving conflicts and making decisions that benefit the team as a whole. Understanding your own emotions. Self-awareness is a fundamental aspect of emotional intelligence. It involves understanding your own emotions, strengths, weaknesses, and values. By developing self-awareness, you can identify your triggers and reactions, manage your emotions effectively, and improve your relationships with. Tips for developing self-awareness include journaling, mindfulness meditation, seeking feedback from others, and reflecting on your experiences. By practicing these techniques regularly, you can increase your self-awareness and develop your emotional intelligence. Managing emotions in yourself and others. Emotional regulation is a crucial aspect of leadership that involves managing your own emotions and understanding how they impact others. It requires self-awareness, self-control, and empathy. One practical tip for emotional regulation is to take a step back and assess the situation before reacting emotionally. Another is to practice mindfulness and meditation to improve self-awareness and reduce stress levels. Empathy, the key to effective leadership. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. In a leadership context, empathy is essential for building strong relationships with team members and stakeholders. When leaders are empathetic, they create a safe and supportive environment where people feel valued and heard. This can lead to increased engagement, productivity, and loyalty. To develop empathy, leaders need to practice active listening, put themselves in others' shoes, and show genuine interest in their perspectives and experiences. They should also be aware of their own biases and assumptions and strive to overcome them. By doing so, leaders can build trust and rapport with their team members and foster a culture of openness and collaboration. Leveraging emotional intelligence for leadership success. Emotional intelligence is a critical skill for effective leadership. Leaders who possess emotional intelligence are better equipped to build strong relationships, inspire their teams, and achieve business goals. One practical tip for leveraging emotional intelligence is to practice active listening. By truly hearing what others have to say, leaders can gain valuable insights and build trust with their team members. Another key aspect of emotional intelligence is the ability to regulate one's own emotions. By staying calm and composed under pressure, leaders can set an example for their team and make better decisions. Developing emotional intelligence, the journey ahead. In conclusion, emotional intelligence is a crucial skill for effective leadership. By understanding our own emotions, managing them effectively, and empathizing with others, we can build stronger relationships and achieve greater success in our professional and personal lives. Remember that developing emotional intelligence is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and practice to cultivate this skill, but the rewards are well worth it. So keep learning, growing, and striving to become the best leader you can be. Conclusion. Emotional intelligence and self-awareness are critical attributes for effective leadership. Leaders who possess these qualities are better equipped to understand and manage their own emotions and those of others, creating a more positive and productive work environment. Here are some key conclusions on the importance of emotional intelligence and self-awareness in leadership. Improved interpersonal relationships. Leaders with high emotional intelligence and self-awareness are more attuned to the emotions and needs of their team members. This understanding enables them to build stronger relationships based on empathy, trust, and mutual respect. Effective communication. Self-aware leaders are better able to communicate their thoughts and emotions clearly and authentically. They are also skilled at active listening, which fosters better communication within the team and minimizes misunderstandings. Conflict resolution. Leaders who understand their own emotions and triggers can approach conflicts with greater composure and objectivity. By regulating their emotions, they can create a safe and constructive environment for resolving conflicts and finding solutions.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.